Stefan Bies is a German experimental architect with lots of bright ideas. While at home in New Orleans, Louisiana, during the summer, a crazy thought popped into his head. He noticed his backyard lacked the luxurious component he'd always dreamed of having, a pool. He decided to use his architectural expertise to build his own. Stefan wasn't going to settle for some ordinary old pool, though. Instead, he had the genius idea to convert a rather unusual object into his dream swimming pool. So, what unusual thing did Stefan use for his project? Why, an old dumpster, of course. Now, before you discount this as a zany idea, just take a look at his project. As soon as the 22-foot-long, 7-foot-wide dumpster was delivered to his home, he got to work. Still, building his dream dive pool wouldn't be easy. First, he wanted to be sure that the container was free of dents. Then, he cleaned the dumpster with anti-corrosion paint. He also made sure to fill the hole he dug for it with limestone in order to protect the soil beneath. Then, using half-inch thick, high-density foam insulation, Stefan lined the inside of the pool so it would be soft. He also used a custom-fit blue pool liner, similar to the ones found in above-ground pools, for the interior. For the exterior, he was inspired by Japanese baths, and used some special wood. Stefan wanted the outside of the pool to look stylish. To do so, he used pressure-treated pine boards to line the exterior of the dumpster container. He even had enough left over to fashion a deck along the side. Luckily for Stefan and his family, the wooden boards are also easily removable. That way, if they somehow grew tired of the beautiful design, they could change it fairly easily. It's hard to imagine anyone getting bored with this stunning deck, though. Stefan was able to clean the pool with a filtration system he built himself. The system was connected to his home's water supply, which allowed fresh water to be pumped in. This easily lets him keep it clean year-round. If you're thinking about building this pool, and who wouldn't be? You'll only need to spend about $5,000. Just think, all of this started with a crummy old dumpster. Build your own, and you'll be swimming in luxury in no time. It's time to start planning your dumpster pool. Stefan's project might be unusual, but it certainly proves that dreams do come true with a little ingenuity and skill. In no time at all, you too can call your friends over to enjoy your beautiful backyard oasis.